This is the final day reviewing the FarmRx Special Trial Kit with the 4 products. You can see it's the Greens Cooling Gel, the Super Greens Multivitamin Moisture Cream, the Serum, and the Eye Cream. So this is the final day of me reviewing. I must say, let me just show you this. I'm pretty much finished the moisture cream. This is after about, I think I used it 17 days in total. And I did skip like some mornings, or not mornings. I usually skip the night. I never skipped any morning. I skipped the night. But I think I skipped maybe 2 nights or 3 nights in the whole process. But I used another Avon product that night, which is the Skin Invincible that I really like for my night cream. So I used that. And the serum, I still have a little bit left. And the eye cream, I do have a little bit left. And I have quite a bit of this, just want to show you, gel, the cooling gel. And that's just because I only use the cooling gel after my bubble baths on Sundays as a face mask. And then I wash it all off. And then I pat in some of this multivitamin. So that's why I have so much of this left and not much of this left. So only on Sundays I use that over the 3 weeks. So pretty much like 4 times, I guess. But I'm definitely ordering the serum, a large size. I already ordered a large size of the multivitamin cream. And I'm ordering the eye cream too, large size of the eye cream, because those work fantastic for me. I will pass right now on the gel. I mean, the gel should be amazing if you have if you get hot a lot. That's what a lot of people have said that sample it. Like, it's nice when you get hot flashes or your face just get flush or hot. It really cools you down. So almost like the aloe vera gel kind of deal. But I will pass on that for now. And I'll just stick with this, and this. And I want to tell you, it works incredibly. You'll see my skin, no breakouts, nothing at all. I love this product, hands down. I know it's not good for everyone. Everything is not always good for everyone. But for me, it was perfect. I moved from using the Skin Invincible at night, and during the day I use the Hydra Fusion. So a new Hydra Fusion, I have the whole set of that, and I moved from that to use this. So I'm gonna start this after I finish all my Hydra Fusion, because I've had it for a while, and then I'll come back to start using this set again. Okay, so see, this is how it makes my face look. It make me look like really like fresh. And I must say that I had not one breakout. I mean, everything don't work for everyone, but this surely worked for me. I already bought the very big size of the multivitamin moisturizer. This thing, I love this thing on my face. I use it morning and night. But before I start doing anything, every day after I take a shower, while my body is still damp, I always use this. I spray this on my face and on my upper décolleté, my upper part of my body. I always do. So this is like my go-to to refresh and open up my pores. I do this every day. I hope Avon will one day get this rose water, but this is an amazing product. Avon need to market this for sure. And then I want to show you how much of the Bakuchiol Eye Cream I use. It's just a little dot. I'm going to show you right now how much I use. This is how much of the eye cream I use, and I use it on my 3rd finger here. And I do it very gently. I pat this into my eye. Look at me now. So I take the eye cream and I just gently pat it into my eye, right? And I do the same for the next eye. Just a little on this one and a little on this one. And I go from the insides of my eye, because that's where my dark circles start, from the inside here. I've gotten rid of so much. I know you can see the difference from my original video to this one. I think this is my 3rd video, so go back and watch the original ones. but it's just a beautiful product. I'm definitely upgrading to the larger size. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe below and leave your comments. And if you ever need a kit, you're welcome to call me and I will have one available for you. So let me know and we shall talk. Have a great day.